Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Carnival of Creativity. Today I'm going to be doing another bullet journal video. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, and I thought since I was moving into my new bullet journal due to finishing my last one, now would be a good time to do so. So if you like these type of videos, please make sure to comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, I'm gonna hop right into it. So this is the journal book I decided to use. It's a little bit different to the two that I've used previously, them being soft covers and having an elastic band close, and there wasn't necessarily a reason for that, but I just really liked how cute this one was. This one came from Wilco, and it's got dotted pages inside as well, which means really helpful for setting things up because you can get it nice and evenly spaced. The only downside is because it's hard covered, I can't quite as easily just shove my pen in the page and shut it. So I will be doing a bullet journal DIYs video which will include a pen holder for the front of it because it's causing a bit of a problem, but not one that can't be solved. So this is the journal that I got. It's got a mint spine and then this pinky peachy brush strokes with journal on the front, and this gorgeous like terrazzo effect paper on the inside. So the main thing, I didn't move. I know on my previous journals I've done so much stuff about like DIY ideas, savings, future goals and things like that, and whilst they were all really pretty pages, I wasn't actually using them. So the only thing that I really moved into this journal was Bear's like medical page, which I have his haircuts, which I guess isn't medicine, but I have his haircuts, his spot on, which is his wormer, and his flea stuff there to keep track of, and if he's gone to the vet at any point. And I did this with my calligraphy pen in black ink at the top, then using some metallic calligraphy colours for the haircuts and for the medical history. It doesn't do it justice how it shows up on camera, but it is so pretty in person. So that's that, and then I can just stick my stickers in that I have from his spot on and write the date on them as well in there. So then the next page is my like monthly overview, and I only realised halfway through this that I shouldn't have started at January and I should have actually started at August, but I didn't think that through. So I made the January to July as 2019, so they've all got 19s on, and then from August it's 2018. So I'll carry on filling out the August, September, October, November, December for this year, and then move on to those for the next year, because I was a bit silly with that. And I did these in the calligraphy gold as well, the metallic gold, and then just use my pen to write out all of the week layouts, and obviously put all my appointments in there as well. And again, that's the same for this page. This page I've put birthdays and special events because I'm absolutely awful at remembering. I'm not too bad with like immediate family, but everyone else's birthdays or like wedding anniversaries and things like that. So I've got them all in there just so I can keep track of them and whatnot. Then the next page, I've got my YouTube schedule. Now this is something that I've taken from my last bullet journal but changed up a bit, because I had this all on one double page spread, and it wasn't just my YouTube schedule, it was my monthly as well. But I've since decided to put a little bit more effort in with my channel just to try and grow it a bit more, by trying to put out 3 videos a week instead of 2, and I've also started a blog as well, so it means I need more planning space. So I've got my magazine clippings of things that inspire me and things that I want to try, maybe for videos or blog posts or things like that, here underneath my month layout, and anything that I'm making for people's birthdays or any other presents and things to do that need like a future planning. Then I've got video ideas for blog, lifestyle and DIY videos. The magazine clippings are part of a new series, so those are sort of ideas as well that I'm doing. Then over here I've got my subscriber change, just so I can track that, my blog schedule and my promotion schedule, so like when I'm putting things on Instagram and Facebook to promote my videos. And then over here I have my video layout and schedule plan thing, which I again used the metallic calligraphy stuff to do the titles and the lines and the numbers, and then just went in with my normal black pen for the writing. And the black pen that I'm currently using is this Uniball I Micro, which is just like a fine tip, almost like a gel type pen. I just like how it goes and it doesn't bleed through the pages or anything, so that's good. This is my weekly. This has not changed since what I was doing at the end of my last bullet journal. I don't know whether you've seen a video with my weekly looking like this, but I changed it up a bit like this, so I could have it all on a double page spread, see everything for the week, all my to-dos, all of my meal planning, where the week is in the month, so the layout again, and then a quick overview of any appointments down here as well, and then all my individual day-to-day tasks there. And I was really getting on with this layout. I found it so helpful just to have everything that I needed for that week in one place, and so that's again what I've set up for this week. Obviously it looks a bit more empty because I haven't got to all the days and things, but it will fill up and end up looking like that, no doubt, because I'm a busy bee. But yeah, that's basically it. I found that I wasn't really using a lot of the other stuff that I did in my bullet journal, and I do use my bullet journal a lot. It's my go-to for every break time that I have off work, every spare time I have any minute, I guess, to do things. So I really wanted it to be as like productive as I can make it, not having to flick through loads of pages to find what I want. The other good thing about this journal, which I absolutely love, because the first one I had to put them in myself, and the second one I had one. This one's got 2 of these little ribbon bookmarks, so I can quite easily just put one on the daily and then one on my YouTube schedule, because those are the 2 that I go to really quickly, and my month overviews are right at the front anyway, so they're easy to get to anyway, but they are super duper helpful, so that has really helped me out with my speed and things like that. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video ideas or any questions about the bullet journal system. I will do my best to answer them. And yeah, I will see you all next time. Bye guys!